So welcome guys. Here we are with another star of our INICET November 2023, Dr. Aashna Khurana, and she is from UCMS, my parent college, from where I did my MD forensics, and that makes me proud in another sense also. So yes, we all at DBMCI are very proud of you. You have made your family members, yourself, very, very proud. And yes,
Thank you.
with a rank of 68
Yes,
in this INICET, she has done wonders. So with her journey, it will be like very motivating for any aspirant who is going to give upcoming exams. So all over to you, Dr. Aashna. Please guide your friends and peers so as to how to move ahead, what all things they should take into precaution and all.
Yes, sir. So I am from batch 2017. I completed my internship in March this year. So I appeared for NEET PG in March and then May INICET, and this was my second attempt at INICET in November. So my basic flaw in the preparation during the internship year was that I did not attempt a lot of questions. I was very scared of GTs, so I never used to give a lot of GTs. So that is why I would recommend everyone to start giving GTs. The best time to start is right now. At whatever stage your preparation is, you should just go on with GTs. And I used to give a GT every Sunday morning. So I took a complete day to review that GT and went through my notes after that. And whenever the concept was wrong, I used to go through my notes and mark and highlight all of that. So I would recommend that you should practice a lot of questions and do GTs.
Okay. So when did you start preparing for the exams?
So I started in my proper with planning. I started during internship year only, but due to some hectic duties, I could not continue studying. So I gave up during my medicine posting and surgery posting. So
Yes.
after that, I resumed my preparation after internship, which was in March. So I gave one complete month before May INI. So I went through my not complete notes because I had very less time. So I did all the high yield topics from the last 5 years INI papers, and I did the PYQs also, but I could not fetch a good rank in May INI. I got a rank of 3200. So I then took another 6 months to get through all my notes and uh, gave it a proper boost to my preparation and attended the TNDs. And I think the main difference in my preparation was due to TNDs, because there a lot of concepts I thought I knew, but I didn't. So I could really clarify my concepts through TNDs only. And sir, forensic TND was like the best, because I thought that इतना boring subject को इतने अच्छे से कैसे पढ़ा सकता है. So you do that with passion, and I think you are the best at it.
Okay. Thank you. Thankful for this compliment. It
And
is
sir,
like compliments are teachers' food. You gave me very good food today.
and
Okay.
sir, I would also like to mention Praveen sir's pathology and anatomy, Ashwini sir's and Jay sir's surgery. I think they are all who cleared all my concepts better, and I was able to apply in the exams also.
Yes, all the DBMCI faculties are excellent in their teachings,
Yes, sir.
that I will
Yes,
say. And
yes,
yes,
sir.
you have made Olympic level long jump from rank 3200 to 68. This is Olympic level long jump, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
in this long jump, DBMCI has been helpful, has been like a pillar for you.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. So you attended DBMCI live TNDs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So was there any point of time, Swati, not Swati, Aashna.
Aashna, yes, sir.
Swati is your batchmate now.
Yes, sir.
So at any point of time, did you feel like I am into anxiety? मुझसे नहीं होगा, दुनिया
Sir, a
खत्म
lot
हो
of
गई है.
times, sir, a lot of times.
You
Sir,
already
at
delusional
that
belief है?
time, yes, sir, definitely. Sir, because I had not scored well in my NEET PG and then again in INICET, so I was in a lot of anxiety and tension that अब हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. And I thought that it would take another 6 months, or I have to appear for NEET also. I was not sure that if this INICET I'll be able to make it or not. So at that time, my family really helped me get me out of this, and they helped me gain self-confidence. And when I started scoring well in GTs, that was also a confidence booster for me.
Okay. So I will like to add up a few lines that
Yes.
during the phase of preparation,
Hmm.
this anxiety is a
Yes.
false belief and
Yes.
it is not firm. Always
Yes,
have
sir.
that belief, this is not firm, this is a false belief which I am getting. And I will
Yes,
overcome this with the help of my family and my friends. So
yes,
always
sir.
support yourself with those people who are there for you.
Yes, sir. So,
Never
and I
lose hope.
also believe that anxiety, somewhere, a little bit of anxiety is important also, because it keeps you going and motivated to keep studying also. Because if you are very relaxed and you think, abhi to bahut time hai, ho jayega, so that is also not right.
That makes you a normal human being.
Yes, sir.
If you are not into anxiety, then something is some problem is there. That why are you not into anxiety? Anxiety
Yes,
is a human nature, and that human
yes,
feeling will be there, but you have to overcome that. You have
yes,
to
sir. Yes,
overcome
sir.
that because it's very depressive, it's very time killer. So you have
Yes, sir.
to overcome that anxiety within due course of time very quickly. And
Yes,
yes,
sir.
the people like Swati, like Aashna, and many students, those who have overcome that anxiety, they have they have done wonders.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ, तो ये तो हो गए एंजाइटी की बात. Now, any last words for the aspirants so as to जैसे prepare कोई कर रहा है, if someone is
Hmm.
preparing, तो
Hmm.
what all points they should keep into mind कि मुझे ये करना है to do and ये नहीं करना है. Like in snake bite management we read ना, you have to do
Yes,
this,
sir.
you have not to do this. So just
Yes.
segregate this.
Yes, sir. So in the to-do list, I would just like to point out कि सबसे पहले तो you have to be consistent. It's not like if you're not reading, one day you're reading for 12 hours, and another day you're saying, I'm tired, I would read only for 1 hour. So that doesn't work that way. You have to be consistent. You have to read at least 8 to 10 hours daily if you're a post intern. And if you're an intern, you have to manage your duties also. So
Yes.
I could not manage that. So I don't think I'm the right person to tell how to manage studies during internship. But for a post intern, it has to be at least 8 to 10 hours daily. And then you have to keep revising also, because if you just keep going through your notes, and then after 2 months you'll say कि first subject तो याद ही नहीं है, so you have to keep revising also bit by bit. So I used to keep 1 to 2 hours for revision at the end of the day, because I was tired, and I felt a little drained after 10 p.m. So I used to keep 10 to 12 ki kuch revise kar lungi pehle ka. And I used to revise T&D notes in that time, because I thought they were the most high yielding and it would really help me in my exams. So going through notes is not that much helpful at the end. If you have a little less amount of time, you should go through T&D first and keep your concept strong, and keep practicing MCQs. I did 100 to 150 questions daily, and giving tests, weekly tests are also very important. And that is it for to do. And not,
Consistency, I will summarize.
yes,
Consistency, discipline, frequent revision of the topics which you have
yes,
read,
sir.
and
Hmm.
practicing MCQs of
Yes,
those
sir.
concerned topics or concerned subjects. This is how one should move ahead. Now, in
Yes, sir.
this journey, what all things a student should avoid?
Hmm. So going through the entire question bank is, I don't think it is advisable, because it also has a few things which are not required in your main exam. Matlab a little bit extra information, which if you are starting early, like in your third year, so you should definitely go ahead with all the questions and that. But if you're if like me, you're starting late, so you should only attempt that question bank which have been already tested, topics which have already been tested, like the PYTs. So I also, when I started my preparation, I segregated the topics, that I have to at least do these topics first, and then I'll move forward with the entire notes. So also multiple revisions are important. So if you just think कि मैं एक बार अच्छा reading कर लूँ पूरे 5 months लगा के, but that is not going to help. If you give at least 2 months for first read, and then continuous revision every month, so if you read your notes at least 4 to 5 times, that is only going to fetch you results.
And revision from one source is very, very important,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if you're adding up all the question banks to your notes, it is not going to help you. So don't run after multiple sources. One source and multiple revisions is much better.
Is much better. So what is not to be done is running here and there out of fear of seeing your friends doing the same thing. Stick to one
Yes,
source. On whichever source you have that belief, keep that belief, and that belief will take you to wonders, like all the
yes,
students have done. So yes, sticking to one source, revising that source again and again is going to pay.
mm,
So we should
yes,
not deviate from this track.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, nowadays there's a lot of content available. So there's that FOMO that ye bhi kar lu, wo bhi kar lu.
That is
But
why
that
I
is not
told
good.
you, there should not
Yes,
be any fear of seeing your friends. You
yes,
have to
sir.
give the exam, you have to get a rank. So focus on yourself. Don't focus on others.
Yes, sir.
That is
And discussing your GT scores is not going to help you
what
because you get scared ki she's scoring so well and I'm not doing that well. But you have to believe in yourself and
GTs have to be utilized to
yes,
improve your timing.
yes, sir. Yes,
Timing.
sir. Time
In how
management.
much time, how many questions you are able to do, and that too correctly. So it
Yes,
checks
sir.
your speed and accuracy. There, GTs are very helpful.
Yes, sir.
But don't run after this course, as you said rightly.
Yes,
Never
sir.
run after this course of GTs. Even
Yes, sir.
low scorers in GTs, they are like
Hmm.
very good rank holders.
Yes, sir. So I could not get a rank of under 100 in any of the GTs,
See,
but I
you
got
are the prime
yes,
example. What I just said, you are the prime example of that. So this
yes,
is very helpful for all the aspirants. कि कभी भी ना डरना नहीं है कि GT में स्कोर कम आ रहा है. डरना तो वैसे भी नहीं है. All my students should be fearless.
yes, sir.
डरना मना है. So you'll be joining your prestigious branch, your prestigious college, whatever you
Yes,
have
sir.
dreamt of. And yes, many congratulations on behalf of whole DBMCI family once again. And
Thank you
people
so
are
much,
very
sir.
proud of you. I'm very proud of you being a UCMS student.
Thank you so much, sir.
So be in touch, and yes, may God bless you in all your future endeavors. And
Yes.
stay tuned to DBMCI official YouTube channel for more such inspiring views. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.